When I look at the sky, I see awe and wonder, magnificence, majesty of the Creator. I grew up on a farm, rural area in eastern North Carolina. And when the sun set, it was dark. And when I was a very young boy, I was looking at the sky and I wondered. And I needed to know about it. It just drew me. If you go back far enough, there was no such technology to record what you saw, you remember in your memory, or somebody could draw. In the very early 1800s, people started experimenting with chemicals and substances like silver nitrate, which are sensitive to light energy. By 1929, Edwin Hubble changed the whole concept that astronomy had of the universe, because the Milky Way was just one galaxy, an island among millions of galaxies spread across the universe. I tried some photography on my own in the early years in the 60s and never was very satisfied with my accomplishments, because you had to guide with a crosshair and with a toggle switch on some motors to keep the star on the crosshair. And then one night I would just go in my dark room and set up the chemicals, which were very smelly, and develop. I would set up another night and sometimes work until middle of the morning, hours printing. Digital imaging started in the 90s, and it has changed the whole world of photography, including astrophotography. And I have since then used probably a half dozen different cameras. People would say, why bother when you can go online and get the best of the professionals? Because it's mine. Now, when I first started looking at the sky, I didn't even have a good star map. My mother bought a little book called The Stars. Everybody knew I was crazy about astronomy. And she saw it. We didn't have much money, but she saw it on a sale table for 5 cents. I studied that thing and I learned it had some star charts, but they were very, very, probably 4th magnitude at best. Now I have star charts that go to 8th magnitude, but my digital star chart, V-Sky 6, goes to 15th magnitude. The whole Hubble guide star catalog, 15 million stars. We have programs that show the whole sky, and you can zoom in or out. You can change the magnitude of stars that are visible. With the digital world, it's all done by mathematics, and it's always correct. It's updated on the moment. You communicate with visual imagery that was not possible instantly. You can take it on the spot. You can send the digital picture across the world. You didn't have that capability with film. And so it has changed the way we communicate. The imagery of anything, not just the sky. We are called amateur astronomers. Amateur is a French word which means love. And so we just love the sky. Amateur astronomy.